make sure po talaga namin na ibibigay po talaga namin yung best namin. Lahat ng mga, kung ano man yung gagawin namin, mapaspill man yan, kung sino man yung kakanta, kung sino man yung sasayaw, make sure po namin na ibibigay po namin yung best namin at i-enjoy po namin yun para kung ano man yung nararamdaman namin sa loob namin, enjoyment, yung sayang nararamdaman namin, make sure po namin na mapapasa po namin yun sa mga manonood. And syempre gagawin po namin kung ano po rin yung ina-expect yung mga gusto po nila.
So, make sure nyo nakikiligin talaga yung mga.
Yes.
Sino pa yung gusto sumagot?
Sa akin naman po, make sure namin na may enjoy nila sa pag-alis po nila sa Araneta. Because I think first time nila makikita, mapapanood, magsama-sama yung bawat cast ng each series po sa Viva 1. And I think nagkakaroon din sila ng chance to see us perform live. Because hindi aware lahat na some of us are singers, dancers, ibang talent din po, not just acting. So I think yun. Ayun, I think, I feel like hindi lang sila yung ma-excite or matutuwa. Dahil kasi pati kami, we're very excited with the production that we'll be doing. Kasi yun nga, halo-halo po kami. So it's going to be an experience for all of us. At unang makakapanood, of course, our fans. So we're very, very excited for everyone.
Si Mark.
Siguro siguro ang pinaka-hindi ko makukuha nila from the concert. Nalaman ko lang to recently, may papandesal si Jairo sa Pinoy. Yeah. Medyo ready ka siya, mag-magic mic siya kasama ni Lance.
How about you, Marco? Kasi napansin namin talagang parang bortang-bortang.
Kailangan.
Meron din ba?
Magic mic? Baka hindi posible. Hindi ko po alam. Meron po kaming performance ng voice. Pero, workshop na lang. Anyways.
Sino pa po?
Ano ba? I think it's gonna be a big treat for everyone kasi nung nalaman ko about the concert, it's kind of like the Marvel universe. Like, alam mo yung Spider-Man, all the different Spider-Mans come together. Parang ganun. So everyone gets to see all their favorite characters on one big show. Siyempre, I'm excited to 3G18 kasi it's our first time performing as a group doon sa Araneta. And sobrang excited kami kasi we have something very special on the way for you guys. And so, my special gift din po kami for the dance. At sana magustuhan niyo.
Meron pa ko. Si Lern. Si Hayasi, parang may pasabog na mala Blackpink or mga K-pop.
I don't know, they said it all, but the only thing coming up in my head is that, of course, as much as we can, we'll display our most truest authenticity, because at the end of the day, that's what our fans love. They love us for who we are, so I know we can give our all, but we don't have to try too hard. Does that make sense? Yeah? Of course, there's that.
Thank you guys, salamat.
Thank you so much. Let's call in from tonight, Ian Farinas.
Hi, good afternoon, boys and girls. Boys and girls. Andito si Direk, no? Direk Paul.
Yes, paano po si Direk Paul?
Isa lang naman ang tanong ko kay Direk. Baka pwedeng bigyan ng mic si Direk. Direk, sa dami ng mga batang ito at syempre lahat sila are aiming for a spot dun sa show. Paano po yung distribution ng numbers, yung exposure, in terms of exposure, how will you make sure that they will have equal exposure sa concert?
Yes, so as much as we can, we'd like to do it sana isang buong araw para lahat sila may performance and may show. But unfortunately, we can only do as much. Siguro mga enough na yun, 4 na oras, 3 oras siguro with production number para masaya yung lahat ng fans. Of course, each and every one will be representing the series that they are starred in. So, Gagaya nga ng sabi nila, merong mga girls prod yun, merong mga boys prod. Hopefully may mga duets, may naasahan sila, and of course mga group performances. But we're very aware of the timing kasi sa sobrang dami nila, kailangan mapagkasya namin siya dun sa oras na binibigay ng Araneta. So, equal billing siguro for everyone. And at the same time, I don't wanna promise a lot, but marami kaming pasabong na performances na gagawin.
Thank you, Direk.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Alright, let's call in from Anong Ganap, Erwin Agawa.
Hello guys! Okay, Erwin from Anong Ganap. So, curious lang ako, nakapag-perform na ba kayo sa Araneta individually? Kung naalala, as in first time yung lahat? Kasi from 2,000 ang capacity ng New Frontier, ito 20,000, almost 16,000, di ba? Araneta. So, how does it feel na Araneta levels na kayo? Ashley, nakapag-perform na ba before?
Parang before po, yung nakapag-front up po kami before sa Araneta. And this time po na babalik po kami na parang kami na po talaga gusto yung papanoodin doon. Eh, sobrang nakakatuwa po talaga ng puso. Sobrang dream come true po talaga doon.
So, kung kayo yung masusunod, ano yung mga gusto yung kantahin for yourself?
Nakakatawa kasi naalala ko lang ito nung... Kasi before, nung nagpa-practice kami ni Aubrey para sa NFP, sabi namin, sayo kami, girls, ganyan. Tapos nag-play sa Spotify yung Don't siya.
Yes,
Don't
Pussycat
you
Dolls.
wish it was real? Tapos sabi ko, ay, pwede namin. Hindi ko inaisip ko. Ikaw?
G.
Ayun din, looking forward sa all-girls prod. And I think, ano rin, gusto ko din yung magkaroon kami ng chance to sing. Sing and dance, kami girls. Yeah. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung like, specific song, but yeah, I hope na magawa namin ng maayos. Ako, I'm just excited kasi the first time I performed in Araneta was for Indak, and our director was Paul. And ngayon, the next time, ngayon hindi na siya parang guest lang.
Nag-full circle.
Then. So, so sobrang...
Full circle na.
Yes, and this means a lot kasi na-miss ko si Direk and I'm very, very excited to do this kasi ito yung expertise niya, concerts. I mean, Sarah G and everything. So, sobrang idol namin to si Direk pagdating sa ganitong klaseng production. So, abangan niyo na lang po.
And Robin, what can we expect from you? Another dance hot dance number na naman ba?
Abangan na lang po natin, pero dance po siguro.
Good luck. Best of luck sa lahat. See you around.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Erwin. Now, let's proceed with Pulp Magazine, AC Castillo.
Hello po, good afternoon. First of all, congratulations po sa inyong upcoming grand concert. Yay! First of all, nag-start na po ba kayo mag-prepare para sa grand concert po? Anyone can answer?
As JT po, yes, we have a lot of stuff coming. There's definitely a big surprise for that event. We're super excited to bring out the new performance namin kasi may prepare kami ngayon. So, sana magustuhan nyo. And we're extending our sessions. We're doing every day na we're going full out for this. So, we're super excited.
Since na-mention mo po na marami kayong pine-prepare and this would be your first performance as a group, ano kaya yung kaabang-abang na dapat i-anticipate talaga ng fans or ng mga manonood sa araw na to? Like, may ipo-perform ba kayong kakaiba? Like, for example, own singer?
Yes po. Pe-perform po namin yung I think yung debut single po namin.
Sana po umabot. Sana.
And then with everyone po naman, yung mga prod po, inaayos pa po yung mga prods namin para equal din po yung prods namin lahat. So, we're looking forward to, mag-rehearse na kami all together. Siguro chaotic yun, pero masaya.
So, branding ko kasi